Even if going to fight, even if fight, you do according to your... Krishna says, fight. Krishna did not say Arjun. Did Krishna say Arjun? Chant Hare Krishna? No. But to him, saying, fight. Ma manushara yuddha cha. Think of me, most knowledge, and also fight. If Krishna says to me to fight, I fight. I shoot arrow to my grandfather, to my guru. But actual guru is Krishna. So he follow. And he followed. And Krishna asked, now I told you everything. Now, Jatha Ichchita, now you have got a free will, you can follow me or may not, you will be carried away by 3 modes. And you won't reach your destination. Arjun means showing just like conditions or what we are always sometimes in dilemma. We don't know what to do. Shall we do this? Shall we put my feet in this boat or in that boat? Better, 2 boats. Then any time, bloop, in the water, bloop, and we don't see. Prabhupada says, sometimes many come here, but they have everybody, in beginnings they have got some many material desire. And gradually fulfill, usually. And then has no interest in Krishna. One day, bloop, then he died deep, and he finds he is not surfacing. Where is God? হারা ধরে 10টি ছেলে রবীন্দ্রনাথ দুঃখে মনের দুঃখে বনে গেল কাঁধে ভেউ ভেউ there are 10 son of one guy and one by one is going on. So this happens to big organization sometime. History repeats unless you strictly Yasodeva Parabhukta, unless you have strict akhanda implicit faith in the words of God, Krishna and Sadguru, you fatak jata. You go away, go astray, go away from the path of bhakti. Whatever you desire, Krishna will be okay. But Krishna won't easily fulfill your desire of pure bhakti. He'll check out the Maya is testing. Here is Narada is testing. It really comes from this. So Guru also sometimes tests. But if bazaar mein sab kuch second hand, then it doesn't test much. It chala jayega, zyada test kare. Then best is a bad bargain. Whatever he is doing, okay. वो भी बोलता था हाँ जी हाँ whatever is. हम बेगुन का भी नकर नहीं, आलू का भी नकर, आपका नकर है. ये सब क्या आपका है? काम में वो देखता क्या कर रहा आपका कर रहा. Does he act like that? Is he saying Krishna is the owner of everything? Krishna is everything. I am also Krishna. Everything, my property, what is it? Well, whether he is action doing not, that God is faith. So anyway, this is always happening. Yes. But still Prabhupada says, gradually at least surrender. So Dhruva is very determined. So Prabhupada says, anybody come to Krishna consciousness, he said, if you want to make advancement, you read one book. Who can tell what book? Please raise hand. Upadeshamrita, that we are related to him, that is we are called follower of this. What do you are called? Rupanuga. Rupa Goswami. The Goswami's method of serving Krishna consciousness, this is our Vande Rupa Sanatana. And they are saying that Vipralamba Seva, feeling separation. Prabhupada is always saying, don't talk about Radharani, Gopi, all these things. First of all, become eligible. Follow their path of separation. But you are separation, feeling separation of something else. So many other things. Then how you feel separation from Krishna? Only Hari Bol and all these things externally do. Krishna knows inside what is there. Inside if it is Krishna, really, I am going back to Godhead. This very life, Prabhupada said, this very life, so that you can go back to Godhead, Acharya usually tells something. And who is really serious, they make tangible progress. So we have to ask ourselves, we are responsible for our destiny. It's not God is responsible, neither teacher is. He tell what is good, now it's up to you. Prabhupada said, it depends upon your attitude. You are on the borderline. You can go this way, that way. You can go to Chit Shakti Krishna's or Bahiranga Shakti. You understand? You are on the borderline. You are Tatastha. Jeev. Tatastha means sometimes thought. That means bank of the say, river or a
Marginal.
ocean, the virgin. Sometimes that portion is sometimes the bottom portion water covers it. Sometimes it goes up. That's called that line. So we are also in there. We are Krishna's spiritual energy, but minute, just like a spark of a big fireplace, say sun planet. Now you, if you stay in the fire, you remain good condition, pure. You stay with Krishna consciousness, with Krishna, no Maya. The moment little bit, not all the senses, engage in Krishna, at once Maya can enter. So in one sense, it's very difficult. Because from time immemorial, we have a tendency to enjoy and lord over material nature. The moment we do, we sometimes get kicked from Maya. Better if you listen from Sadhguru, take it very seriously, what Dhruva did. And Dhruva was told by Narad Muni, you chant. What do you chant? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.